Welcome back to this video, and today's tutorial I will give you at least top 3 websites that can teach you any digital skill for free. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about free stuff like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video, and the very first website I would like to show you here is Coursera.org. This particular website here offers thousands of free courses that you can learn from any digital content. So having opened the site, next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down to the last bottom of the site where you can get free courses. Okay, so scroll down to the very last button, just like so. So on getting to this part here, simply click on free courses. Then you have all free courses, just like so. So as at the time of making this video, this particular site here have 2,000 plus free courses for business. Then for computer science, they have about 1,400 plus free courses. For data science, they have about 988 free courses. Information technology, they have about 777 free courses. Then for English languages, they have 6,000 plus. For French languages, they have 5,000 plus. For Spanish, they have 5,000 plus. For Portuguese and Brazil language, they have 5,000 plus. You can scroll down more and see more free courses that you can simply enroll, just like so. Then you can also filter by duration. So you can also filter by level of your understanding about the skill. Whether if you are a beginner, simply select on beginner, intermediate, advanced, or mixed, whichever way you belong to. Then also you can also choose courses by duration. Do you want to learn between 1 to 3 months? Do you want to learn between 6 months to 12 months? 1 year to 4 years. As simple as that. You can scroll down and see more skills. You can learn skills like leadership and management skill, data analysis, communication and strategies, all for free. Okay, you can simply scroll down and see educator by different university that contribute into this particular site. Now, from the bottom of this particular free courses page, you can click on here to see next page. You can learn free AI content for free. You can learn free Power BI. You can learn free psychology course with even the certificate. Just like so, you can also learn Google Ads for beginner, the skill you will gain and advertise digital marketing, stuff like that. So this course here has already been reviewed by 4,000 plus people, just like so. So if you want to enroll on any one of them right here, simply click on it and start your enrollment. But before you can enroll for any course on this particular website, you need to create a free account. Having created a free account, then you have access to course. So you can see about the course, you can check on the module of the course, the duration, etc. So it's as simple as that. So this is what I have for you as far as Coursera free learning platform is concerned. So let's take a look at the second website that can teach you any digital skill for free. So let's go. So the second website I have for you here is ClassCentral.com. In ClassCentral.com, there are thousands of free courses that you can learn, okay, and get your certificate all for free, ranging from business, computer science, MIT, Google, Amazon, etc. You can simply scroll down and see the contributor. So over 1,000 plus university contributor, over 80 plus course provider, then plus 1,000 plus institution provider. You can scroll down and see more stuff about this particular site. Okay, so scroll down and navigate to free courses from the bottom right here. Now we have about free certificate courses. For Google certificates, about 600 courses here. For free courses from tech giants, about 9,000 courses right here. 1,700 courses from here. You can also browse by university courses. You can browse by provider courses such as Coursera, EDX, FutureLearn, or Udacity, Swam, Udemy, FreeCoded, etc. So these are all the places that you can learn things for free. If you want to get any of the free courses right here, simply click on free certificate and courses. Then it's going to load up and present you with all available free certificates and courses for the listed, just like so, massive list of thousands of free certificates and badges in 2024. So you can scroll down and enroll for any one of your choice. So right here, Google courses here, LinkedIn Learning here, Microsoft, Asfad, Stanford, Open University, Free Code Camp, digital marketing courses, about 1,000 plus in digital marketing courses just like so. You can scroll down and see more stuff about this. So when you complete your course right here, you get a certificate just like so. So this is the second one I have for you on top 3 websites that can teach you any digital skill for free. So let's take a look at the very last one I have for you as far as the top 3 websites that can teach you any digital skill all for free. All right, so this is the third one I have for you as far as top 3 website that can teach you any digital skill for free. This website here, futurelearn.com, can also teach you any digital skill for free. Okay, so about 184,000 have already given a good star review as far as this platform is concerned. Then right here, 2024, get unlimited access to about 1,400 plus courses from top university around the world. You can simply scroll down and see some of the university, some of the partners that contribute to this particular site. Now, in the section here where you have limited access, these are the section for freebie. So what you need to do here is to simply start or sign up and start courses of different area. Now, right here, you have access to about 1,400 short courses on this particular platform. Then you can scroll down and read more stuff about free access to courses on this particular website. But if you are not satisfied with their free courses, you can upgrade to unlimited annual or unlimited monthly courses. It is all your choice. But as far as free courses is concerned, you have access to about 1,400 courses from university courses, digital courses, etc. So it's as simple as that. So basically, these are top 3 websites that can teach you any digital skill all for free right now as you can. So I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about free stuff like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.